Introducing Wolfram AI Course Assistant, based on the same technology that powers Wolfram Notebook Assistant. With Course Assistant, you can ask anything you like about the lesson you're working on. Not only does it have access to the knowledge built into its LLM base, but it also knows about the specific course lesson that you have open, and it can even write and run Wolfram language code. Let's see it in action. You can ask for explanations about course material, here getting a clarification about the relationship between Riemann sums and integrals, or to modify code that you saw in a lesson, here updating a geo-visualization that featured France, Italy, and Iceland into a more colorful version featuring Spain, France, and Germany. Every time you open a lesson, Course Assistant will provide you with a few lesson-specific sample questions that can help you to explore the material. Course Assistant is included with your Notebook Assistant and LLM Kit subscription, so get started today.